Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Let's consider this question. The length of a rectangle is x centimeter. Now find its perimeter if the area is q centimeter square. Now let us sketch out a rectangle. This is not drawn to scale. Now we are told that the length is x centimeter. Now, and the area, which means the whole area here, is q centimeter square. Okay, now find its perimeter. Let us take note that area of a rectangle is length times breadth. Okay, now and the perimeter of a rectangle. Now perimeter is the total sum of the sizes, which means this plus this plus this plus this. So if we have that, this is the length plus breadth plus length again plus breadth again. So if you probably collect like 10, you now have L plus L, you give us what? 2L. Then plus B will give us what? 2B. Okay, now the area is given as Q. So here you have Q equals to our L. Here is what? X. Now let me change this to dots so that you not get confused. Okay, so our X here, that will be what? BX. Alright, so with this, now let us find the value or the expression for breadth. So let us divide both sides by x. So breadth now will give us what? Q over what? X. Alright, and we are told to find the perimeter. Now this is the formula for perimeter. So which is what? Now 2L, our L is x, so here you have 2x. Then plus, now 2 into our breadth is what? Q plus over x rather. So here we have, this is 2x now plus 2q over x. Now if we want to make it a single fraction, we can just LCM x. Here you have 2x raised to the power of 2, that is 1 in x is 1, x, then x times 2x, you have this. Then x in x here is 1, then 1 times 2q, you have what? 2q. So at the end of the day, you can now factor out 2 here. You have 2 into x squared plus q all over what? X centimeter. Alright, if you love what I've just done, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like my page on Facebook. Thank you and God bless you.